To achieve this kind of video, how to clone yourself, just go straight to your CapCut, go to your new project, select your first video, then click the add button and you scroll down, you click overlay, then you click the add button, then select your second video, then you press the add button. So now use your two hands to drag the video. So you come down here and look for mask, yes, mask. So you select the mask, then you go to horizontal, select horizontal. So what you need to do here right now is to use your two hands to drag it like this. And make sure you use your two hands. If you use your one hand, it won't work. So it's your two hands. So you drag it and put it to the normal position. So and please, if today is your first time coming across any of my video at all, please help me to share this video and like and follow this page for more video like this. Please just help your boy. So make sure you drag it to your normal satisfaction. Drag it to the normal position which is supposed to be. So press this button. So now let's go to the beginning. Now I will look for a starting point where I want my video to start. I'll click my first video, then I split. Click the second video, I split. Click the second video, split the left side. Click the first video, delete the left side. Then I'll drag the second video. So this is the video. Let's play it and see.
Enjoy forever. This thing they happen to anyone. I come from nothing, enter many things, but these things they happen to anyone. Yo, oh, oh. I live the life that I love.